Are you stuck on the Clever AdWords installation process? No problem. Throughout this short video, we'll provide you with all of the necessary tools to guide you all the way to the next step of the installation process. From here, you'll be on your way to enhancing your advertising campaigns and watching your clicks turn into conversions. Let's get started. Hello, I'm Hope, and I'm going to guide you through steps 3 and 4 of the installation process by helping you establish what text and images will be shown on your ads by pinpointing the aspects that make your products attractive for customers. Let's begin with step 3. First, we require you to clearly describe your store in 80 characters. Tell us about your business and what you offer. Below, we will have you make that description more concise and write it in just 30 characters. Make sure you highlight what makes your store unique, as we will use these descriptions on your ads. Show us why customers should choose your company over your competitors. Lastly, you will input the URL that pertains to your logo. We require this information so that your campaign can look as professional as possible. Let's continue to step 4. First, you will write 2 ad tips that are 29 characters each. Use this as an opportunity to showcase what makes your product unique. Default suggestions are provided, but we recommend you to make modifications to best reflect the individuality of your store, as these descriptions might also appear on your ads. Next, you will be asked to select any promotional services you may offer. Choose the ones that you provide to your customers in order to make your campaigns even more attractive. If none of the ones provided apply to your company, you can simply move on. We do not recommend that you select services that you do not currently provide, or your visitors may be disappointed and leave your store without making any purchases. Lastly, we give you the option to input your phone number if you would like it to be included on your campaigns. If you don't want your phone number to appear in your ads, you can just omit this part. Now your ads are configured and ready to be automatically generated by the Clever app. Easy, right? If this was helpful to you, like our video. If you still have questions, feel free to leave your concerns in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more useful e-commerce content. Go to your new Clever AdWords app to complete the installation. Don't waste another minute. Start bringing potential customers to your store. Want to succeed with your e-commerce? Be clever.